Alright, so this is my truck. And I just, actually, hold on. I just installed this little piece I got off of eBay for $9. It's a little whistle. So this is the whistle right here. And it wasn't working when I first put it in because of how small it is compared to the outer diameter of my exhaust pipe. So then I had to cut up the bottom of a Pepsi can. And I just stuck it right on there, and that works pretty good without suffocating and clogging up my exhaust pipe. So let me show you what it sounds like. So, actually I'm gonna leave y'all by the tailpipe so I can get a hear of it. Let's see. Let's get it there, y'all up like this. Alright, so just listen now. I'm gonna start it up. All right, that's it.